again. This is a quick update about my Frankenstein M900 upgrade. Is a few little bits I'll show you that I've done with it. What I did was, previously I've ordered an i7 CPU, memory and NVMe drive for it. I've gone online to Intel. I've actually got my official i7 sticker for it, free of charge, which is quite handy. I'm just going to go inside. It's not finished, you can see, because I'm still waiting for my DVD drive. Bought them off of eBay and found that the bezel's completely different, so that's gone back. What I've got is, I don't know if you can see, is the NVMe drive is on one of these cheap adapters, so it does fit in nicely. I've also got my Emulex VFA2 network adapter installed, and I also have, I'll just lift up the latch. I have the 32 gigs of RAM, also off of eBay. What I'm looking to do probably is just down there, if you can see it, there's a slot, which is a bit weird because what it does is it gives you another PCIe slot. So you literally just plug it in down that connector, and then it gives you a further slot. It all works, but I did have a bit of a quirk with it, that when I was trying to use a standard hard drive with these, what I found was if whatever was in this slot would work fine, so if I had the network adapter in, Windows 10 would see that network adapter. If I took that and put that in there, it wouldn't recognise it, and if I put that in there, then it would recognise the NVMe drive. So I don't know whether it's something to do with power, that the extra power draw from the hard drive just meant that it just couldn't quite power enough to run these. Really not sure. Without that hard drive, both recognise, works absolutely perfectly. A little bit reluctant to use this as a web server now, not because it isn't able to do it, but I found that it's a little bit louder in the living room compared to the Tiny. I kind of expected it to be louder, but this fan and the fan at the very front of the machine, tucked away in there, does mean that it does get a bit louder. So at this stage, I'm not completely sure whether I will actually proceed with this as the full-blown web server for my machine. I do have a M910Q that I may end up just using instead, but we'll see. I'll get Server 2019, everything installed on it. I'm just running Windows 10 at the moment to test it all, and it's worked perfectly without any issues. So yeah, put Windows Server 2019 on and make a decision from then. But yeah, it's a nice little machine, does work very well, apart from that strange quirk with the hard drive and using all these, using this network adapter and this NVMe drive. But other than that, yeah, worked flawlessly, no problems at all so far with it. Obviously I've got to try and get hold of the DVD drive for it at some stage, so just to finish it off, and of course the original SATA cables, so I'm just using some borrowed ones. So that is it. Thank you for watching.